Hey there gamers, welcome back to the channel for another exciting video where we deep dive into one of the best VPNs for gaming, CyberGhost. In today's video, I'm going to show you how CyberGhost VPN works to provide you with the most epic gaming experience every single time. I've included exclusive discount links in the description box below so you can grab the opportunity to unlock all its incredible features with a discount. When you're deep into gaming, your top priority is to ensure that your personal data remains secure and out of reach of hackers. You want to fully enjoy the gaming experience without worrying that your private information will be under surveillance by prying eyes. In the gaming world, a DDoS attack is a common thing to worry about since it disrupts your gameplay and causes frustrating lags and disconnections. It's a good thing CyberGhost is able to mask your IP address, making it difficult for potential attackers to target you for a DDoS attack. It also has a kill switch that turns on when your internet connection drops in the middle of a game, ensuring that your data doesn't get leaked anywhere. Another thing is that CyberGhost can bypass geo-restrictions with its massive number of servers, 9,000 plus in 91 countries. What's even greater is that CyberGhost has gaming-optimized servers that you can choose from to reduce gaming lags. Simply select the server that's closest to you, ensuring minimal lag during your gameplay. But CyberGhost makes it even easier for you. Just click Best Server Location, and you'll be connected to the nearest server instantly. This is very helpful to avoid gaming lags and to get low ping. We've also tested the speed of CyberGhost, and it really does reduce your latency, making your game run smoothly. And we know you don't like that inconsistent speed. That's why CyberGhost has you covered with its feature that stops ISP throttling. What CyberGhost does is hide your online activity, and your online traffic gets redirected through an encrypted tunnel, so you'll get better speed when gaming. CyberGhost also helps you get around your worst enemy, an IP ban. It's so annoying to not be able to log into your account and create a new one. Thanks to CyberGhost, you can get a new IP address just by connecting to a different server. It's perfectly safe to do this because CyberGhost has AES 256 encryption, which protects your real IP address. Lastly, CyberGhost is an instant solution to accessing geo-restricted games like PUBG and COD that aren't available worldwide. Just change your server location using CyberGhost VPN, and you can have access to the games you've always wanted. It also works perfectly for streaming and torrenting. You can also connect up to 7 devices at once using a single CyberGhost account, so your friends and family can play without worrying about privacy and security threats. Did you like what you just watched? It's time to get a CyberGhost VPN. Check out the links in the description below to get the best offers from CyberGhost. You can try it risk-free with 45 days money-back guarantee. If you're unsatisfied for any reason, it's okay. You can ask for a 100% refund via their 24/7 customer support. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos. Happy gaming!